Hi, welcome to Investwell Training Session 1, Part 2. In this video, we will discuss on how you can log into the portal and the client dashboard features. As soon you log into the portal, you can generate various reports, and then you can also view other products details like shares, bonds, FD and other assets by entering the details manually. Then you can view your currently running SIPs, folio details, my documents, different documents like PAN, Aadhaar can be uploaded. Then risk profiling and watch list. Now, investor journey starts from welcome mail, and the mail will be received from our advisor's registered mail ID, which looks similar like this. You can check your username for the login in the login page URL, and for password, you need to click on this accept invitation and then set your own password here. Click on reset. So after setting the password, you can log in on web and mobile app using the same credentials. Alternative way to log into portal is logging in with OTP. Enter your registered mobile number here. Click on send OTP. Using the OTP, you can do login. And then same way you can also use sign in with Google by using your registered mail ID. Now let's log into the portal using username and the password. As soon you log in, you will land to the dashboard page. Here you can see your profile details and can also upload your photo from here. Your total purchase value, current value includes all your assets value like mutual funds, shares, bonds, FD and etc. Unrealized gain, in case if you redeem it as per present market value, how much of profit you will earn will be shown here. Then dividend and interest. Asset allocation, here you can check the asset wise AM using a pie chart. My goals, here you can check your goals status. The green indicates if you have mapped your goals for the current investment, how much of your goal is achieved can be seen. And the red indicates the shortfall, how much of your amount you have to achieve to meet your goal can be seen from here. My assets, here you can see your total mutual fund value, and if you have entered your other products or details like a share, bond, fixed deposit, other assets and insurance details can also be checked from here. Save document vault, you can upload your different documents like Aadhaar and PAN. Profile status, when you submit your risk profiling, here you can check under which category you fall, and then you can see your recent purchases and redemptions. Show investment journey, you can see your mutual fund journey here, which you can check for since inception, this month, last 1 month, current financial year and last financial year. Here we show how the net investment is calculated, all inflows minus outflows, and the gap between this current value and net investment will be the gain which your advisor done for you. Dashboard provides you an overview of your portfolio. For detailed review, you can go to reports. First is portfolio valuation report. This report provides you valuation for the currently held units. You can see the folio details, scheme name, balance units, purchase NAV, current NAV, purchase value, current value, and the gain in folio level, absolute return, CAGR, subtotal in each category like equity, hybrid, debt, and the grand total you can see from here. Also, this report you can view in PDF as well. So choose the view type as PDF. And this PDF view is as per your advisor's preferences. So click on apply. So here you can see the advisor name, investor name, investment snapshot since inception, all the cash flow details. You can also check how the net investment has been calculated, the current value, overall gain, XARR, allocation by applicant. So you can see the contribution of each applicant. In case if family is available, you can see the other applicant details as well here. Then the allocation in equity, debt, global equity and others. Mutual fund allocation by applicant. So your total purchase value, current value, absolute return, CAGR, and the mutual fund allocation by fund, allocation by scheme, mutual fund allocation by subcategory, and also you can see the mutual fund cap allocation, how much is available in a large cap, mid cap, small cap, and the total of cap allocation. Then the mutual fund holding analysis you can see. So here you can see the same details which you have seen in the on screen. The folio details, purchase units, purchase value, current NAV, current value, your unrealized gain, absolute return and CAGR. And then you can see the SIP summary, and if you have updated your other products details, you can also see the insurance details. This report is a detailed report. In case if you want a one-pager report, then you can unselect all the data options and MF allocation sections, and then you can take a one-pager report. So in case if you wanted a SIP summary, then you can tick mark the SIP summary and click on apply. You will get a one-pager report. So and this report, if you want this portfolio valuation report a transaction wise, then you can choose the group by investor category folio transaction. So you will get this report in a detailed transaction wise. Date wise, you can check all the portfolio details here. And also you can use this advanced filters if you want to take the report for a specific category. You can select the options by unselecting and tick marking the option whichever that you wanted. And also you can use the transaction type filter. So if you want the report only for purchase and SIP, you can select those options. In case if you prefer WhatsApp, then you can click on send on WhatsApp. So here you can click on continue to chat, and then you have to either download the WhatsApp or you can use the WhatsApp web. Report you can view on Excel and can also be shared on email. Next is portfolio summary. Report considers all cash flows, all inflows and all outflows in the particular folios. As soon you click on apply on screen, all the cash flow details will be available here like purchase, redemption. You can see the folio number and the scheme details. The gain earned for redemption and switch out is shown as realized gain, and the current value gain is shown as unrealized gain. So under portfolio valuation, you were able to see only the unrealized gain, but in portfolio summary you can see both the realized gain as well as the unrealized gain. Then you can also check the XR return for folio wise and subcategory wise, and the grand total you can check from here. And when you click on this folio number, you will be able to see the history of the transaction statement. In case if you have holdings under any other broker or in direct schemes, and to view that data, your advisor have the provision to update it by either doing a manual entry or through the cash upload. And to view the investment standard, your advisor, you can choose the source as managed data, and you can select outside data to view the investment done under other ARNs or in through the direct mode. This report can also be taken in PDF format. You can select the view type PDF and click on apply. So first you will be able to see the investment snapshot, all the cash flows, allocation by applicant, and using pie chart you can see the debt and equity, then allocation by AMC wise, scheme wise and cap allocation. You can see your main portfolio summary, purchase, switch in, dividend reinvest, redemption, switch out, balance units, your current value, and you can also see the unrealized gain, realized gain, XIRR, folio wise, and the total also you can see from here. Also, you can generate this PDF report by selecting different option. So when you click on this beta version and click on apply, so all the snapshot location remains the same. Only in the portfolio summary, you can see purchase and switching which were shown different are clubbed and shown as total investment here, and sell switch outs are viewed as a total redemption. Next is asset allocation. This report shows the asset allocation of the currently held units. How your assets are allocated to different AMC schemes, sectors, holdings can be seen. So you'll get a snapshot or product wise how much AUM that you hold in mutual funds, total AUM and the allocation, bonds, PMS, gold, fixed deposit. And you can see the applicant wise AUM allocation if the family is available. Then equity, debt, another global equity allocation, and you can see the pie chart as well. Category wise allocation and fund wise allocation. You can view the AUM in a scheme level in different category. Also, you can check the equity cap for mutual fund allocation and script wise AUM allocation. Capital gain realized. This report helps you to check your capital gains on the redeemed units, which is available in on-screen, PDF, Excel, and email. You can take this report on custom period wise, or you can toggle the option to financial year wise and click on apply. So you will be able to see the short term and long term. So click on this, then you can check the implications in folio level. The same can also be generated in PDF as well. So the report that you wanted to share for taxation purpose is available in PDF and Excel also, which you can generate a summary wise, detailed, and ITR report is also available. So when you click on apply, so in the first page you can see the snapshot summary details, and in the second page you can check your purchase amount, cost of acquisition, unit sold, and the sell price, sell amount, and actual capital gain, and the taxable capital gain can be seen from here. So and now if you want to share this report on email, then the preferred option for report type is tax package. So when you select this option, so in one single mail, summary, detail, as well as schedule 112A report also will be sent. Next is capital gain unrealized report. This report shows the tax implications on the currently held units. If investor redeem today, then what will be the capital gain? So as when you click on screen, so you will be able to view the short-term and long-term capital gain details and their implications in folio level. So you can check the total units, purchase amount, cost of acquisition, current amount, the actual capital gain, taxable capital gain, and CAGR. When you redeem this current amount, so what will be the taxable capital gain can be seen from here. So also the same report can be generated in PDF, Excel, and also can be shared on email. Dividend report. This report gives the details related to dividend paid or reinvested in a particular period. You can select the date, click on apply. Then you can see the total dividend reinvestment done and the dividend payout and TDS. Profit and loss. This report helps you to check how much of returns you have received on the redeemed portfolio. So this will be your redeemed amount, the purchase cost, and the difference of amount and purchase cost you can check from here. And you can also see how much of CAGR has been generated. You can also take this report in PDF and Excel. Next is portfolio performance. This report is used to check the performance of your portfolio between two dates, and it considers all cash flows in the folios like purchase, switch in, redemption, switch out, and dividend payout, and it provides the total gain and XIR return for that period. Same thing you can also check in PDF as well. So if you want to view only the active folios, then you can tick mark this option and take the report. And in case if you want to check the returns for monthly basis or quarterly basis, then you can toggle the period wise option and take it as per your requirement. Next is portfolio rebalancing. This utility is used to check the effect on your asset allocation if any addition or subtraction done in any existing schemes. Also, user will be able to check the capital gain on full or partial subtraction done in the folios. You can also check the exit load in each scheme. For example, if I subtract 2 lakh rupees in this scheme and add 3 lakh rupees in this particular scheme, you can also add a new scheme from here. You can search the scheme name here and you have to choose the investor name here. Enter the amount and then click on rebalance. Then you will get a view on the comparison for the current asset allocation, and the asset allocation after rebalancing can be checked. Also, you can check the taxable capital gain on full or partial subtraction in folio. Portfolio snapshot, you can check the journey for the given period. All cash flows like purchase, switch in, switch out, dividend payout, redemption, net addition, and the closing balance. And you can also see the XRR and compare it with since inception. You can also view this report for all other products as well. And if you want to check the cash flow for given period or since inception, you can select it from here and click on apply. Then you will be able to check on which day the sale was done and the purchase was done from here. Next is transaction menu. In this report, you can generate transaction statement for the given period. If you want to take the transaction statement for any particular financial year, then you can select the date range from here. So based on the date range that you have selected, all the transaction details will be shown here. So you can use the transaction type filter to view any specific transaction type. Here, suppose if you want to view only the purchase type, then you can unselect all the sell type and then click on apply. So or else you can just unselect all and choose the transaction type whichever that you wanted to view and then click on apply. Okay. So this report you can also generate in Excel, PDF also. So here you can see the investor details and the transaction statement generated from this date to this date. So if you want to generate the transaction statement for any particular subcategory, then you can search the category name here, select the category. So based on the subcategory that you have selected, the transaction statement will be generated. Also, if you have updated your shares and bond, fixed deposit and other asset transaction details, then those transaction details also you can view from here. So and to add the transaction, you can click on this add transaction and you can also download this in the Excel format also. Insurance. So here you can view your life insurance and general insurance details, the policy date, policy holder and the policy name, the policy number, renewal date. So if you want to attach the document for existing policy, then you can click on this three dots, edit, attach the document from here and click on save. And to add new insurance details, then you can click on this add insurance and then add the insurance details. My SIP summary we show in two parts. First is summary based on the last 4 months transaction. So here you can check which all the SIPs that actually got hit for the last 4 months. So under systematic registration details, you can see the running SIP details, folio number, when was the start date, end date, and what is the debit date of the SIPs can be checked from here. My folios. Here you can check the folio level information. When you click on this folio number, you will be able to see the master details of the folio. So holding nature of the folio and what is the nominee details, bank details, all the information can be checked from here. So also on screen you can also view how much of AUM that you hold on in a specific folio, and you can also see the folio type of this folio. My documents are here. Different documents like PAN, Aadhaar and driving license can be uploaded. So you can select the category from here, and these are the file format type that are supported, and the file size has to be less than 2 MB. Next is risk profiling. Here you can do your risk profiling. For each question, you have to select one single option. So once you select all the answers and submit, so here you can check under which category you fall and till when it is valid can be checked. Watch list. This indicates the impact of a one-day market change on your existing schemes. So apart from that, you can also check the historical return for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, for 1 year. So you can even check for SIP returns and lump sum returns. Here ends our investor dashboard, and for further assistance, you can approach your advisor. Thank you.